Hey moms! Want to know the secret to unlocking your child's genius? It starts with you and the Montessori method. Dive into this research-backed video to discover how to supercharge your little one's chances, foster a love for discovery and set them up for a lifetime of success. Let's dive into how Montessori fosters independence, creativity, and a love for learning referenced by the American Montessori Society. Montessori is a child-led approach that fosters independence, self-discovery and hands-on learning, helping your little ones grow confidently. Montessori differs from traditional classrooms, offering personalized learning, mixed-age friendships and a prepared environment that encourages exploration and curiosity. Montessori importantly nurtures social, emotional and cognitive growth, setting a rock-solid foundation of learning, success, and happiness for your special little one. Follow the American Montessori Society and provide the healthy start by empowering your child's future with Montessori, where learning meets joy. Please like, comment, share and jumpstart other parents in the Montessori method.